Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. All of these are fun, so let's get started and jump right into it. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Tom Nook in an Among Us form as an Among Us crewmate. Tom Nook from Animal Crossing New Horizons and Animal Crossing games. Simple, like I said, like the intro said, easy for beginners. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a curve line over here for essentially the viewport of the crewmate. The viewport, you know, the visor. Curve line here for the front. Curve line over here for the other side. What I'm going to do this one is I'm going to slightly curve it in here like glasses, okay? So watch this, okay? And I want to do that because it's similar to Tom Nook's actual nose shape. Like his snout kind of comes in the way there, and I kind of dig that. So I'm going to draw the snout here, straight line, and I'm going to curve down. Curve down. All right. Tom Nook's nose. I'm gonna have like a little curve here at the end because there is a color differentiation. All right. Line over here. Line down here for this side, and I'm gonna actually pull across here. Actually, am I gonna pull across? You know, I'm just gonna make it go straight down probably. So from here, I'm gonna curve over here for the back of the head. Right on. But I'm gonna keep it going down here for the front of the body, the crewmate body, and back here for the back of the crewmate body. Right on, because you do want to keep that overall kind of, you know, pillow-shaped crewmate body. Get a curve over here for the top of the head, and I'm going to curve back here. Circle over here for his ear. Circle over here on the other side for the other ear. I don't know if it's obvious, but I'm a gigantic fan of Animal Crossing. I'm obsessed with that game. I still play it like every other day. Circle over here for the inside of the ear, and circle for the ear for the inside of this ear. All right. Going down here to the feet, and feet that are down here. Curve in, and I'm gonna curve up right here on this side. Have a curve over here for the lower body, and curve over here. But basically, it's just another foot over here, which essentially looks like a simple pillow kind of thing. Curve over here. Here, over here, kind of for that tail, because he's like a fox or a raccoon, right? I think he's a raccoon. Sorry. Alrighty, now I'm going to put his outfit on, and so I'm going to draw a line across from here to here. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you like step-by-step drawing lessons like this on, like, you know, characters you really enjoy. The subscribe button is right there, and click the bell notification if you find my work. Basically, if you find my stuff here worth your time. You know, please consider subscribing. It does kind of help the algorithm out. It helps me keep track of people, and it's just kind of like fun to do that. Curve over here across the waist. And one more time over here across this waist. Alrighty, line over here, down. We're gonna draw down for his shirt. And he's got like a vest on. So I'm gonna draw these straight lines down to show the kind of material, the squishiness of that vest, of the bottom part of that vest. Right on. I'm gonna draw a V right here. Again, it's for that vest right there. Kind of how they work. Line over here, in, up for the tie. Line here, line here. Gonna draw a line over here with for that pencil in the in the pocket there. Right on. And we're drawing a line right here for kind of the pants he's wearing. 2 lines over here. I'm gonna fix that line right here on his ear. It's a little light. Alright, we're pretty much done. The only thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a thicker line around the border, and the reason I do that is because I like to make it look like a sticker, make it look more cool, you know, that whole thing. Just make it look cleaner, and I think drawing a thicker line just around the outside border makes it look way better. Kind of fixing up a couple of lines here. Like I said, I'm on Animal Crossing. If anybody's on that, let me know. Like, say hi to me. I am really big on Animal Crossing. I'm trying to fix some stuff even now. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. You are amazing. Thank you for following me. If you have any questions, like basically go through the videos. If there's any videos you want done, let me know and I will make them happen. I'm posting 3 videos a day, so I am posting a lot just to kind of get a lot out there for you guys. And that is it. If you have any requests or something, let me know. Thank you so much. Alright? Oh, let me fix these lines here. Alright, thank you so much. I will see you next time. See you later. Ooh, check out the description, by the way. I forgot to say that. There's a lot of cool stuff in that description. See you soon.